Okay, so we're gonna do kind of a Day of the Dead style looking skeleton for Halloween. And I'm gonna have you guys use, you can use crayon, or you can use chalk, or you can use oil pastel. I'm gonna use oil pastel on this example, okay? So what you're gonna do is you're gonna start by drawing a big circle in the middle of your page, and then I'm gonna have you fill that in with white. And then I'm gonna add like a rounded rectangle underneath. That's gonna be his chin. Then I'm gonna use black, or any color you want, but I'm gonna use black to make his body. It's gonna be nice and skinny. I'm gonna make his arms just lines like this, and his legs lines. Goes all the way down to the ground, okay? And then I'm gonna make his hands white, and I'm just gonna do stylized hands. Stylized is like illustrations, like in a children's book, okay? I'm gonna do some stripes on his legs. And I'm gonna do some circles for buttons on his body. And then I'm gonna make his eyes. And so I'm gonna make pretty big circle ovals for eyes, like that. I'm gonna use purple. As well. I'm gonna do another line circle inside like this. And I'm gonna do his nose like a triangle. I'm gonna do another black center for his eyes. And then I'm gonna use black for his mouth. Comes across like that with lines. Okay, and I'm gonna do a line across like this and a square for a hat on top, okay? And I'm gonna make the rim thicker, and I think I'm going to make his hat a little bit wider so that I can cover the top of his head, and then fill it in with black. I'm gonna draw some stars in the background. You do a star, you just go up, down, and then you go diagonal, across, and diagonal. I'm gonna do a moon. Let's see, where I wanna do my moon here. Maybe a cloud. And another star. You guys can put your stars wherever you want. And if you have a hard time doing this kind of star, you can always do this kind of star, which is just like two X's. It's like X, and then a line through the X and a line through the X. And last but not least, what I want you to do is I want you to do like curves all along the edge to make like a frame, okay? You're gonna go all the way along the bottom and all the way along the sides and along the top. Just draw a frame, curved frame. And you're done. This video was created by Sabrina Wingren at A Space to Create Art.